Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alberto Lunardon, and I'm representing Macons Socage Platform Private Limited here in Ahmedabad. My company is into production of construction equipment, specifically, aerial working platform that are machines, truck-mounted machines used mainly, in construction site related to metro and bullet train. Before, evaluating the CRM, we was basically maintaining our leads on infinite Excel spreadsheets, and it was difficult for me to have immediate status of how the projects and leads were going. Therefore, I start browsing a little bit on internet, and I came to know about Kylas CRM. The reason why I immediately get in love with Kylas was the huge availability of YouTube training lessons available. So without disturbing anyone, watching some of them in my spare time, I realized that this software could be, a good potential candidate, for the solution that I was looking for. After that, I came in contact with the Kylas team. We have discussed the commercials, and once again, the team was very flexible and really helpful in finding the right package and solution for us. And therefore, we have now, we are on board of Kylas. The implementation phase really surprised me. I mean, I was not expecting, such fast implementation, and that, really, in a matter of almost 1 month, we were live. I have to say that, overall, we are not having a huge amount of leads per day. Neither we have any, our leads usually doesn't come through any portal or website and so on. So the amount of leads, amount of customer, amount of contacts that we have to import, in Kylas was not that big, and that really, was helpful. We have chosen to start from zero, so all the leads and deals were not imported, and then made once again the implementation process very easy. Now that we are, a consolidated user, it's almost 3 months that we are using, Kylas. I have to say that the main reason for which, I selected Kylas, are, demonstrate on the field, great flexibility, high customizable, the possibility to modify almost all layout, adding custom fields, and even the workflow automation part is something very, very, very helpful. So in terms of improvements, I say that I can see a lot of improvements from my side, because now I have a full dashboard customized, where in 1 minute I can see very easily, how many new leads has been created during the day, how many has not been updated, and let's say we have created an automation that send out emails reminder to the sales team that look, this deal or this lead has not been updated since 1 week, what's going on. So like I said, we have paved the road, let's say, for the success implementation of the software. We have not reached there yet, but we are, let's say, in the process, and I'm quite confident that in the coming months, let's say, even significant results in terms of approach to the marketing and approach to the sales will give their fruit. Thank you, Kylas, and thank you all the teams that helped me implementing this solution. Bye-bye.